Hello. Right, the Mini came for MOT. Everything I could see on it I've done, and we'll see. Hopefully we'll pass. Right, MOT done. Pass with defects. So registration plate lump inoperative in case multiple lens blah blah blah. Yeah, I know we got a bit of corrosion around the light bulbs. Rear registration plate lens is missing. Yeah, we know that. The little plastic see-through plastic covers are missing. I need to either order new ones or make something. Direction indicator slightly discolored. Power steering pipe hose has slight seepage. Yeah, I know that. I'm expecting within next year or so to do major work on power steering anyway. Service brake binding, but not excessive near an offside rear. Right, I'm going to check that. Probably handbrake needs maybe easing off a little bit. Registration plate deteriorated, but not likely to be misread. Nah, it's all good. That's all good. Done. I'm happy now. So all I need to do now is put a road tax on it.